new warehouse. We've been here since December, and Ramon is going to take you on a tour. So this is Ramon and Jonathan, and we are going to take you on a tour.
So here we have our shipping area. This is mostly TFC products. We use this area mostly for shipping, and what is next to it is going to be for receiving. So this warehouse, this 22 doors. We used to have 5 doors at the old warehouse. This area is where we have our FOP material. We got 10,000 feet for them. Next to our FOP partner, we got Charles Industry. As you can see, they got a full area. They got 20,000 square foot on our warehouse as well. Here we have our hardware connect area. Here's where we keep connectors, RG6, RG11. We got some HDMIs, ACCs. This is our automotive section. We got many automotive different kind of cables shipping to our different customers like Logic Trade, Megatech. Here's where we keep our automotive. So this is where we keep our Series 6 and Series 11 stock. We got the A location, this is gonna be on your right, and we got the B location on your left. This is where we mostly have all of our stock. We got some on our inventory. It's consistent of A, B, and C locations. Right now we got fill up our A location, and it's organized by number A1, A2, A3.
Plenty of room for guests.
Yeah.
And the break room.
¿Qué es lo que más te gusta del almacén?
El espacio y la coordinación.
Es un almacén muy nuevo, muy grande y podemos trabajar muy abiertamente, con mucho espacio.
I really like this warehouse because compared to the other warehouse, we have more space and we have more docks and we can work on a faster pace and get the job done.